Hey everyone, welcome back to our Bible name series. The name which we are going to see today is Abner. Abner lived during the time of King Saul. He was Saul's cousin and also the commander of Israel's army. He was strong, skillful, and very loyal. Whenever Israel faced battles, Abner led the soldiers with courage. He believed his responsibility was to protect God's people. After Saul died, Israel became confused and divided. Some people followed David, the man God had chosen to be king, but others wanted someone from Saul's family to rule. Abner supported Ishbosheth, Saul's son, because he thought it was best for the nation to keep Saul's line on the throne. He did not fully understand that God had already chosen David. Later, a conflict arose between Abner and Ishbosheth. Ishbosheth falsely accused Abner of wrongdoing. Abner became upset because he had worked hard for him. At this moment, Abner finally realized that David was the true king chosen by God. So Abner went to David with a peaceful heart and promised to help unite all Israel under David's rule. David welcomed Abner with respect and peace. Abner then traveled to bring the rest of Israel to David. But as he returned, a soldier named Joab, holding anger in his heart, killed Abner out of revenge. David mourned deeply for Abner and declared that Abner died unfairly. The whole nation wept because they recognized Abner had been ready to make peace and follow God's plan. Human strength is nothing without God's light. Abner was strong, but true wisdom came only when he followed God's chosen king. Like Abner's name, God must be our light. We must stand for peace, not revenge. Abner chose peace in the end. Joab chose revenge. The Bible warns that anger can lead us away from God's will. God's plans are greater than our ideas. Abner supported the wrong king at first, but when truth became clear, he changed. God calls us to follow truth even if it means changing our decisions. Leadership needs humility. Abner was a great leader, but he became greater when he humbled himself to God's plan. Thanks for watching. See you again with another name from the Bible.